A lot of people get caught up, a lot of teams get caught up in day-to-day, all of the work that has to get done, all their operational pressures and crises and issues. And in a typical meeting, most of the agenda on the meeting is all about solving the latest problem, putting out the latest fire. Sometimes there's a little bit of forward planning, that kind of thing that goes on. The part that gets missed most often is stepping back and looking at how are we working as a team. So we often talk about that as we're focused day to day on working in the team. Once in a while we need to step back and look at how are we as a team, how can we work on the team. And so one of the techniques that I love to use there is the idea of what should we keep doing, stop doing, and start doing. And let's step back, and I'll often say to teams, if you can just spend maybe every second, third, fourth meeting, you take 15 minutes at the end of the meeting and you review how are we working as a team, how are our meetings doing, what should we keep doing, stop doing, or start doing in our meetings or as a team to be more effective. And so as you continue those kinds of discussions, you can start to get some really rich improvement happening in the team. The other part that I like to get into, whether it's in the team or the individual, is strengths and shifts, and into some of the coaching discussions that can be part of that as well. So what are the strengths that we as a team or as individuals want to really build on, and similar to performance appraisals, looking for strengths. And then what are some of the shifts that we need to make to be even more effective that might build on those strengths, or potentially maybe there is a gap or a fatal flaw, something that really has to be addressed.